sand out of your mouth. What are you gonna do? You can't even breathe with the sand blowing in your face.
And this is just like easy blowing from what we've had. Oh my goodness, this man, I love this man. I do. It's like 2:45 in the morning, it like hit so hard, and we were just worried about our tent. And as you can see, oh bless him, bless his little heart. Get you some of that. Let me see a close up of that cup. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well,
No adventure is complete without your salt and sweet tea.
No adventure is complete without a sandstorm, right?
I can do without the damn sandstorm.